What does it feel like in a city that thinks of you all the time? When the city runs at the highest resolution of attention that has ever been sustained. When intelligence works quietly in the background, so the city keeps learning and improving as conditions change. The days may shift, heat climbs, streets fill, lights flicker, tides build. Each one answered before it became a question. A walk happens just because you felt like it. Deep discussions run long because nothing was pulling you away. The outdoors are enjoyable. Space is designed for comfort, for generations. It's what happens when an entire system is designed to think and act in harmony. At the end of the day, the cognitive city's ambition is not more efficient energy use or greater mobility. It is to give back to us what matters most. Time to wander, connections to make, life and fulfillment given back.